In this video, I will show you how to enhance subject in Google Photos Magic Editor. Open Google Photo app from your phone. Select the image which we want to enhance the subject. Now we need to access the Magic Editor. Tap on Edit from the bottom. Then tap on the button from the bottom left corner. If you have edited this image earlier, tap Discard. You are now in Magic Editor. Tap to select the subject. Tap and hold the subject with two fingers and pinch outside to enlarge the image. Or you can make the subject smaller by pinching inside. Tap the arrow from the bottom right corner and wait a while. That Magic Editor's AI is working on your photo. Here we have got 4 results. You can see before and after by tapping the top right corner's icon. Swipe left to check the results. Tap on the tick mark from the bottom right corner and tap on Save Copy. A copy of this image will saved. Now you can check your image in the photo gallery. By this way you can change image size with the help of Magic Editor of Google Photos. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. Subscribe to the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.